The hot air and lack of rain is adding to the extreme drought conditions we are already facing in Utah. The Great Salt Lake is sitting at a record low level since 1847, causing concern for both wildlife and people. Fires have already broken out in several areas of the state, like Fillmore in central Utah, forcing evacuations of neighborhoods. You might say the heat is on.
I think it's a critical time because we have been so dry and there's a lot of brush there that's easy to ignite. So we've been fortunate this wildfire season that we haven't had any in our area, and we're grateful for that because it's a tinderbox.
With temperatures in the triple digits, energy consumption goes up as well. Energy officials in St. George are asking residents to be alert by conserving energy based on a color-coded alert system.
We've color-coded days, green, orange, or in worst case, red, to alert our customers that conservation efficiency is important all the time, and it can save money on their power bill. And so anything our customers can do to help lower the demand on the system, particularly between the hours of 3 and 7, helps all of us.
The current status is in orange. Red alert is 3 or more consecutive days at 110 degrees. However, so far this summer, we aren't seeing any red alert days.
Red alerts are more designed to address natural disasters. For instance, if we had a fire that was threatening our transmission lines, we would perhaps issue a red alert under those conditions.
And setting your thermostats at a little higher temperature will help keep your air conditioner from constantly running.
But economically, 78 is the most economical. Your air conditioner will run the least amount of time, keeping your house at a comfortable temperature. However, for every degree lower you go, you use about 2% more energy. So you can figure out where you're comfortable at, both with your power bill and with the temperature in your home. And using a ceiling fan to move the air around really can make you feel cooler.
But perhaps the most crucial concern right now is water, or lack thereof. Water supplies are again slowly dwindling as rivers and streams slow down and shrink from the lack of moisture. Homeowners and other water users are asked to conserve as much water as possible.
The City of St. George has been encouraging people who use our drinking water to water, which is most homes and many businesses, to water at night. So between the hours of 8 p.m. and 8 a.m. because the heat of the day is gone. It's generally not as windy. If we have wind, it's usually died down by that. So you get more of your water that will go into your landscape and not into evaporation. The Utah Department of Water Resources weekly puts out a calendar based on each county in Utah and how often you should water. Right now, the maximum amount of times to water is 3 times a week. And your lawn may go brown, but it won't die. It will come back, and it's really critical that we reserve our drinking water supplies. The question I'm often asked is, why do I see some city facilities like golf courses, city parks, and even some school district facilities watering during the day? Those are facilities that are on our irrigation system. So this is different water that is not treated. In some cases, it's a different water source, and or it includes also our reuse water, which is water that's been treated through the wastewater treatment plant, again, a second time, to meet irrigation quality standards.
Fleming says it's up to all of us to conserve water and energy, and by doing so, we can make it through the summer with less usage and maintain a reliable power and water system for our communities by using less and saving more. In St. George, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.